Exploring new heights, on a different plane, explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, on a different plane. This expression is rich with meaning and can add depth to your conversations and writings. Let's explore what it signifies and how you can use it effectively. Whether you're a language learner or simply looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video will provide you with valuable insights. The phrase, on a different plane, is often used to describe something that is at a completely different level of existence, understanding, or achievement. Think of it as comparing different levels where each level represents a distinct quality or intensity. When we say something is on a different plane, we're highlighting a significant difference in quality, perspective, or dimension. To help you grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. Intellectual discussion. Their conversation about philosophy was on a different plane, far beyond the usual small talk. 2. Artistic achievement. The new painting by the artist was on a different plane of creativity, unlike anything seen before. 3. Emotional depth. After years of meditation, her emotional understanding was said to be on a different plane, filled with empathy and insight. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to indicate something that stands out remarkably from the usual. When using on a different plane, it's important to consider the context. This phrase is best suited for situations where there's a clear distinction or a notable leap in quality, understanding, or achievement. Here are some tips. Use it to emphasize distinction in discussions or writings. Apply it in creative works to highlight exceptional talent or innovation. Employ it in personal development conversations to describe significant growth or understanding. Remember, on a different plane adds depth and nuance, so it should be used thoughtfully to convey the right level of distinction. We hope this exploration of on a different plane has elevated your understanding of this expressive phrase. It's a powerful tool in the English language that can help you articulate profound differences and deep levels of achievement or understanding. Keep practicing and incorporating new phrases into your vocabulary, and you'll find your English communication skills reaching new heights. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening.